Hello friends, today we are going to understand what do you mean by types of lattice and crystalline structure. So let's start without wasting time. So on screen you are seeing the type of lattice which is known as BCC. Okay, you can see here which is known as what? BCC. So BCC means nothing but body centered cubic. The long form of BCC crystal structure is body centered cubic. Now why this is called as body centered cubic? Please let's see. So I will read first what the matter is written here, and then we will going to understand by the diagram itself. Okay, so let's see what it is written here. In this structure, the unit cell consists of atoms at each corner of a cube and an atom at the center of the cube, and each corner atom is shared by 8 adjoining cube, and the atom at the center cannot be shared by any other cube. Let's once again I'm going to read this. Please focus your attention over here. In this structure, the unit cell consists of atoms at each corner of a cube. Let's see the diagram first. In this unit cell, the atoms at each corner of a cube. You can see there is one cube in this diagram. You can see. So there are 8 corners. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh and 8th. Okay. So what it is written here, in this unit cell, the consist of atoms at each corner of a cube. We can see this cube has 8 corners, and all 8 corners containing one atom at each of the corner. Okay. And what is the next condition? And an atom at center of the cube, and an atom at the center of the cube. You can see this atom which is shown by red color. Okay. So this atom is at the center of the cube, whereas the other atoms you can see are situated on the corner of a cube. Okay. Then, and each corner atom is shared by 8 adjoining cube, and the atom at the center cannot shared by any other cube. You can see this each 8 atoms which are situated on the corner of a cube, they are shared with each other. You can see this atom is shared by this line. Again, this atom is shared by this atom by this line. So you can see likewise all these atoms are shared with each other by this adjoining cube and adjoining lines. Okay, but if you observe the center atom does not shared by any of the cube, because it is at the center of a cube. So guys, always remember BCC is a type of lattice or type of crystal structure which consists of atoms at each corner of a cube and one atom at the center of a cube. The center atom which cube contains does not shared by any other cube, but the corner atoms are shared by the adjoining cube. So this is about body centered cubic. Okay, now let's see what is the next type of this lattice. Now FCC. Now the long form of FCC is face centered cubic. All of you must see the long form of FCC is what? Face centered cubic. Now let's see what it is written here. In this structure, the unit cell is a cube with one atom at each corner of a cube and one on each face. Please see. Now see guys, what is the difference between BCC and FCC? What it is written here. In this structure, the unit cell is a cube with one atom at each corner of a cube. This condition is same as BCC. Okay, because BCC crystal structure also has one atom at each corner of a cube, but in this FCC also the condition is same, that unit cell is a cube with one atom at each corner of a cube and one on each face. Now see, and it contains one on each face. It means it contains one atom on each face also. If we think about the BCC, so BCC contains only one atom at the center and which does not shared by any adjoining cube. But in FCC, you can see what it is written here. FCC crystal structure contains one atom at each corner of a cube and one on each face of the cube. Okay, let's see, let's confirm it by diagram. Let's see how it is possible, how to understand this. Please see guys, these 8 corners I'm talking about, first, second, third and fourth, 4 atoms. Then second one, 5, 6, 7 and 8. It means these 8 corners, cube has 8 corners, so it contains an atom at each corner of a cube. Okay, then next condition is one atom on each face of a cube. Now see, these are the faces. This is first face of cube, this is second face of cube, this is third face, and this is fourth. Okay, so you can see this first, second, third, and fourth. On each face it contains atoms. Okay, it means FCC is a crystal structure which contains an atom on each corner of a cube as well as an atom on each face of a cube. Okay, then each face atom touches its nearest corner atom. The second is, you can see each face atom touches its nearest corner atom. Now see, each face atom, now this each face atom touches to its nearest corner atom. You can see this each face atom, it easily touches to nearest corner atoms, means you can see these are intersecting these lines. Okay, these are the lines. So these center atoms are intersected that lines. It means that your center atoms are touches to the corner atoms. Okay, so this is about the FCC, that is face centered cubic lattice. Okay, now let's see what next. Now this is the third type of this crystal structure, that is HCP, which stands for hexagonal closed packed. Now in hexagonal closed pack structure, as its name indicates, it is a hexagon. Okay, so let's see what it is written here. In a hexagonal closed pack, that is HCP, arrangement of atoms, the unit cell consists of 3 layers of atoms. You can see the unit cell consists of 3 layers of atoms. The top and bottom layer contain 6 atoms at the corner of a hexagon. You can see. Let's confirm it by diagram. What it is written here, the top and bottom layer contains 6 atoms at the corner of a hexagon. Okay, so first of all I would like to tell you that this HCP lattice, that is hexagonal closely packed or hexagonal closed pack lattice, has hexagon on top and bottom face. Okay, has a hexagon on top and bottom. So see how it is. You can see and next condition is mentioned there, the top and bottom layer contain 6 atoms at the corner of hexagon. What? 6 atoms at the corner of a hexagon. You can see 6 atoms. What are these atoms? First, second, okay, third, fourth, fifth, and sixth. Again, I have already told you that it has a hexagon on its top and bottom also. So you can see first, second, third, fourth, fifth, and sixth. So it means the top and bottom layer contains 6 atoms at the corner of a hexagon, that we have confirmed by diagram. Then the middle layer contains 3 atoms between the atoms of the top and bottom layer. Please try to understand what it is written here. The middle layer, which is denoted by B, contains 3 atoms between the atoms of the top and bottom layer. Contains 3 atoms between the atoms of the top and bottom layer. Okay, now see. Now what are these 3 atoms? Please see. This is first, this is second, and this is third. Okay, it means that the middle layer, this is the middle layer, okay, contains what? These middle layers contains 3 atoms between top and bottom layer. So this is top layer and this is bottom layer, and you can see in between this top and in between this bottom layer we can observe clearly 3 atoms which it contains, that is first, second, and third. Okay, so this is all about the types of lattice, types of crystal structure, that is BCC, FCC, and HCP, that is body centered cubic structure, face centered cubic structure, and hexagonal cubic closed pack structure. So I hope this content is useful for you. Thank you guys.